Well, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. What do we have here? We have a brand new addition to the show. This what is this called? Come si chiama questa cosa, ma? Un mandale. In Italian, it's called un mandale. This is what an apron, and it's Nonna Pina Sicilian Cucina show apron. And Nonna Pina, welcome to your own show. How are you today?
Okay.
Good to see you, Nonna Pina. So we ordered this online, and I think it looks great. The pizza looks appetizing. But what is this eggplant we have here today, Nonna Pina? What are we doing with this eggplant today? What are we doing? What are we making?
Melanzane.
Lasagna.
Come lasagna, yeah.
Excellent. So what we are doing today, ladies and gentlemen, is we are making an eggplant lasagna, obviously using eggplants. So the difference between a normal lasagna and an eggplant lasagna is that we don't use any flour or dough or pasta like you would with a conventional eggplant lasagna. So what are we doing today and how are we going to make this? We're going to cut this eggplant into strips, and then once they're cut into strips, we're going to dip it in an egg wash, which is just beaten up eggs with some salt, and we're going to then dip the eggplant into the breadcrumb mixture. This is just an Italian breadcrumb mixture with some dried parsley and oregano and breadcrumbs. And then once we do that, we're going to fry each slice of eggplant, because those slices will be used to build our lasagna. And when we build our lasagna, we're going to build it just the way you would build a normal lasagna with dough, with flour. So there's going to be layers of tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese with some Parmigiana. We're going to add some oregano and some other black pepper and spices like that, and you can add whatever you like if you want it spicy. But that's how we're going to do it, and that's what we're going to build. And on the Pina, I'm excited about your new apron. Let's
Oregano.
Oh, you're just going to top it with oregano. Okay, so you've built the sheets, and you're just going to top it with oregano. Very nice. And that's going to give a little bit more of an Italian flavor. Okay, hold it. Couple of those there too. All right, porta la cama. Don't burn yourself, Nonna Pina. Oh my my. Oh my my. Is it bubbling still? Bubble, bubble. Metti la cama. Look at that. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Well, I think that came out fantastic, Nonna Pina. You did a great job, as you always do. Thank you, Nonna Pina.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next
Bye.
time. Ciao.
Next time.